Terrie von Alstyne, and today I'm going to demonstrate an apple carrot beet salad. So I have grated the beet and the carrot, and now I'm going to grate the apple, and I'm grating it with the peel on because the peel contains a lot of antioxidants and nutrients that the body needs. This is a very hydrating salad. It is nutrient rich, full of vitamins and minerals. The lemons in the dressing and the beets are particularly helpful for the liver, which we're always trying to support whenever we can through food. So I'm just doing a small amount, and you just toss the three together. And then we can add sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, and coconut. You can toast them if you like, but it's nice to have them raw because they have more nutrients in them when they're not cooked. And for the dressing, it's the juice of half of a lemon. So I'm using my amazing juicer. Draining it into the dressing bowl. Adding a teaspoon of Dijon. That is, or half a teaspoon in this case. We're doing half the recipe. So half a lemon, half a teaspoon of Dijon. Dijon is very helpful for lung conditions. Coughs, pleurisy, pneumonia. Dijon mustard, 2 teaspoons a day or 3 teaspoons a day is very beneficial to heal the lungs. We're doing a teaspoon of honey. You could use orange juice, fresh orange juice in this as well, in addition to the lemon or instead of. But I just love lemons so much because they are so beneficial for the liver. And then you just pour the dressing over. And we are not adding salt to this because salt is hard on the liver. Salt and vinegar are hard on the liver, so the dressings for the salads are without salt, without vinegar, and without oil as well.